No.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Today... Hi guys! Hi guys! Today... Hi guys! Hello! Hi guys! Today we are making pancakes! This is all the ingredients we'll need. So first we're gonna get the flour inside the bowl. So we will need flour, eggs.
How many eggs do we need?
Two. Salt in this spoon. Some milk. First, we will need egg.
Okay.
How do I do this? I can't. How you are gonna do this? I can't. Is it cracking? Why not crack? Oh, stand up. Oh, I got it. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, I did it!
Yay!
Oh, that's perfect.
That's perfect and easy.
Well mixed.
Okay, I'm gonna start. Ooh.
Wait! Like that. Super Stand up.
Yeah. All right, now.
You pour in all of it, right? Oh! I think that's too much.
Yes. We're supposed to mix we're supposed to add the milk first.
Oh my god. Okay, now we're gonna be pouring the milk inside of the bowl. All of it, right?
Yeah, all of it.
Okay. I just got. Okay, I'll mix it
With?
with the straw. There's nothing else. It's just cereal. Fail! Don't do this at home. So I did fix it with a little bit more of some flours, and it worked. My flour.
This is how it looks like.
Yeah, we fixed it.
Nice.
Next is the salt. Woo! It's just a little bit. Next we have to just milk. Condensed milk. No. Here, I'll hold it for you. Whoa. Now we are gonna cook it. This is kind of dangerous, so what you want to do it. Turn it on, mommy. Okay, she has turned it on. Now we'll need butter.
Okay, wait.
Butter. I'll do it.
Yeah, you will do it.
Okay, I just think about this much.
Okay.
A little bit more for What am I making? What kind of pancake is this?
To turn it, let me just do it, okay?
What, already?
Yeah.
Took too much. And boom, bada boom, bada. Now we are gonna be putting some toppings on the pancakes. This is my fun part. As a roll, like this. This. Alright guys, that's all. And here are the pancake rolls that me and mommy and baby did.
Okay, so it's time to eat it. How does it taste?
Mind-blowing good.
Ah.
Alright guys, that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye. Mind-blowing you guys.